What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel. Hey, if you're new here, please click that like and subscribe, and don't forget to bang that like notification or bell notification. This way you get notified every time I upload a video. Words are tough this morning. It's Sunday morning. We just got back from Loudon, New Hampshire. You guys saw that video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm loving the new stereo on the Road Glide. So yesterday was a long day, but while we were gone, I had a delivery, and this is all brought to you by, well, Robert Bacuccio. Let me back up. Robert Bacuccio, I was telling him I was looking to get into a quad lock system, and he gave me a bar mount and the sucky thing. I don't know what to call it. It sticks to the back of your phone. But the phone case that I had was grooved, so I didn't think it would hold very well. And yes, I do have a phone mount, and this is for Spaceball, but we're changing it out, and I'm going to explain to you why. One is, one of the problems I found is with your phone in the case, you have that metal disc and you go to charge your phone, it wouldn't charge on the wireless charger because the metal disc got in the way and interfered. Two, you have this little nylon thing that goes through that clips onto the bike with the Clockworks phone mount, and I'll show you how that worked. So you come around here, you got your clock mount, and it would hold on to your phone this way or this way, any which way you wanted it. And then on your Softails, you have a USB charging port down here inside the frame. So I ran a USB to USB-C cable so I could charge the phone while I'm riding. Well, a couple things that came to proliferation or came to light, I would say, is I would forget to put this on a lot, and I didn't want to put the phone on there without the lanyard attaching to it, the Bluetooth to the radio, and it became a little bit of a cumbersome, you know, you had to think about it. So with Quad Lock, I ordered a phone case from them for my phone, and it works with the Quad Lock mount system. So what we're going to do today is we're going to remove this mount, and then we're going to put the Quad Lock mount on it, and it's got a vibration dampener, which will be better for your phone, number one. Number two, it's going to have a wireless charging to it, wireless to your phone, but it'll be wired to the bike, and I'm going to show you, and this is Tweedledee's idea, how he did it, not mine. So thank you, Tweedledee, for the idea. I am stealing it from you. Sorry, but we're going to hook it up here so it's on a switched bus, so it's not always on until I turn the bike on. So we're going to go through all that. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so we're going to start here first with the handlebar mount. Yes, Bob, thank you for the handlebar mount, but when I went shopping, I had to buy my own. You know, I just felt that I wanted my own, so I'm sorry. If you want it back, I'll give it back. If not, then I'll give it to somebody else who's thinking of going quad lock. So let's open up the package.
And drop.
Instructions, warranty, and garbage, but this is what you get, guys. 1.25 inches,
Allen wrench,
1 1/8, 7/8. You got all this stuff in. You get an Allen wrench, the screw. All right, so let's start with the mount. Take the mount out, and we'll grab our Allen wrench.
I'm gonna come around.
Yeah, come around.
Alrighty, you're putting it.
We're going to put it up here, but I'm thinking I'm going to turn it 90 degrees from the way it is. What's nice about this, that this arm rotates 360 degrees. So that's kind of cool.
So it's not blocking
Oh,
the mirror.
it's over there now. Ah.
Okay.
But that's cool. They give you the Allen wrench to do this. And it's all for you, you know. It's all up to you how you do it and how you want it. And so there's the screw. I'm going to put that aside.
Drop it.
Nope. There you go. The Allen wrench down over there. Yeah, I know. So this is for 1.25 inch, or, no, see, I need it for the 1 inch.
Oh,
So
is
that's
that
7/8. That's 1 inch right there.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put this around the bar just like this. We're gonna put our mount on. I'm gonna bring it as close to the clamp as I can.
We are. Don't drop it.
And I'm sure
There we go.
I'm going to be moving this around to get the right angle and everything like that. So they have them for all your bars up to 1.25 inches.
What's the thickest inch of
Well,
bars?
Thickest inch of bars Mrs. Dr. Harley's asking about is I've seen them where they are like on a road glide, they're 1.5 inches.
No,
I've seen 2-inch diameter bars. I think those are the biggest I've seen.
Oh,
So, all right, so now I'm going to loosen up this one.
so I don't know how that would work on theirs.
Yeah, I don't know either.
They'd have to modify.
Loosen this up. I'm going to spin it. I'm actually thinking already that I'm going to rotate this. So let me rotate it
Oh.
because I don't want my phone on top.
No, that won't do good if you want to see what you're doing.
Right, because I'm going to be using this for GPS and radio.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking maybe something like that. I think that would be best.
Okay.
What do you think?
You can always adjust it depending on how you want to see it or how it's. When the finished product is, then you
Yep.
make your adjustments.
Bingo. So we're just going to lock it down. Lock it down. All right.
There it
So
is.
before we mount
Don't.
this piece, which would go here, and then of course you could rotate this around any way you want,
What's that?
we're going to put the vibration dampener on.
Oh, vibration.
Oh no, they do give you one for 1.25 inch, 1.125 inch, and 1.25 inch.
Oh.
Cool.
Cool.
So the vibration dampener is next.
What does that look like? That's what I thought that part was.
Nope.
No? All right.
And inside of here, box instructions. Another Allen wrench.
Well, that's good.
So we'll put this one back here.
Looks like it's the same size. Okay.
And now this,
Does that go into this little hole right
yeah,
here?
it goes right in here just like this.
Oops, sorry, I went to the wrong angle on
That's
that.
all right.
Huh, okay.
And it's tooth, so it will lock in to whichever way you want it.
Oh,
So what's nice about it is as you get vibrations, this here will absorb the vibrations and not transfer it to the phone. Well, that's what it's designed for.
like potholes of New York City.
Yes.
The highways, I should say. New York highways and other pothole roads.
So there's that piece. Now,
There's another piece.
the wireless
What's a
charger.
Oh, that's cool. You don't even need that cord now. Or do you?
No, I don't. I removed the USB cable that charged the phone. This here will actually do the charging of the phone for me.
What's it got?
All right, so like everything else, a nesting box. Inside the nesting box, they give you some zip ties for the wire, another Allen wrench,
Some little rubber
some rubber pieces.
feet.
I don't know.
Doesn't. Well, maybe the directions say. I have no idea.
Yeah, but we don't need to read directions.
Oh, if we want to know what those are. Oh, maybe they go there.
So I'm thinking,
Okay. Never mind. We figured it out.
maybe.
No.
Huh. I don't know.
Let's see.
But this here will go just like this. The one thing I don't like about this setup, look how high it is now off the bike or off the handlebars. But I do like the fact that
you don't have to worry about
Yep.
putting a tether in and a...
Yep, a tether, you know, and it'll always be
on your bike.
Yeah. So I'll show you in a minute once I get this tightened up, and you can see here how it's already,
Oh, it moves.
yeah, that's so it locks in.
Oh, okay.
All right, so
Okay.
put that down. So what you do is you take your phone,
Oop.
all right,
Phone.
you line it up, and now it's locked in. It's not going anywhere. And getting it off, I got to figure this out.
Can't help you.
There you go. So what you do is you can even go so it's horizontal. I'm new to this, guys. There you go. Now I got it horizontal. I'll have my GPS up here, my radio, and meanwhile the phone is charging. So now we got this wire that we have to connect. So I'm gonna basically,
Let me come around.
yep, I'm gonna zip tie it right to the clutch cable, and I'm gonna cut this down, and where I'm gonna connect it, and this is the Tweedledee trick, is right here for heated grips.
Okay.
And I do have the male part of that plug right here. It's basically from your heated grip extension. So I have one, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut and solder all this together, and once I'm done, we're gonna be done. Okay guys, I soldered the end on and I plugged it in, and I haven't tried this yet, so we're gonna turn it on and see if we start charging. Let's see. I have no voltage. Why is that? All right, so we're gonna get test light out and figure it out. Always go to a good ground, which to me is always the motor. Now we're gonna test one side. Nothing. Test the other side. Ah, I have no voltage here. That explains why I'm not getting voltage. Oh, I know why, because that came off the handlebars. And I have to find the other connection to get 12 volts. That only comes off the handlebars. So there's off the throttle grip sensor, so I can't do that. I'm gonna have to come up with a different way of powering this. All right guys, we got it figured out. We got power. You could tell there's power to your wireless charger because of the red light. But to show you what's going on, and now you can see it is charging. So if I lock the screen, you can see down here that it is charging. So And that's it for quad lock. As far as how does it work, how well does it work, how does it last, how does it hold up to, you know, highways, things like that. I don't know yet. I just got it. I paid for it myself. Nobody gave it to me. But so far, I'm liking the fact that it's wireless charge. I still have a wire going around the clutch cable, but that's the power wire for the wireless charger. So other than that, you know, I don't have to worry about a tether anymore. I don't have to worry about plugging a USB-C into the bottom of the phone. It's just put it on and go, and it's vibration proof. So everything will shake, but the phone won't, supposedly. So we'll see how it goes. Find out more from the Hootenanny, because we're taking this to the Hootenanny. Well, when you see this, it's over, but you know, it is what it is. All right, everybody, until the next one. You live the best life you can. Ride often and ride hard.
Like and subscribe.